All right, I'm just going to show you how to do this on your calculators. You could trial and error it, plug different numbers in for 8 and 12. You could think about combinations of 12, like what would go into 12 easily? Well, 120 would go into 12 easily. So if you 120 from that, like say you had 10 large vans, that would be 120. So if you subtract 120 from 144, you get 24. So 8 goes into that evenly, right? 8 times 3 equals 24. So 3 and 10 should be possible combinations. Let's see. 8 times 3 plus 12 times 10 equals 144. That's 24 plus 120. Check. So there's one combination. Remember, our small vans was kind of our S, and our large vans was our Y. So 3 small vans and 10 large vans is one combination. But here's what I'm going to tell you to do. So, or show you how to do. Let's call these X and Y. You'll see why in a minute. So 8X plus 12Y equals 144. I'm going to get Y by itself. What is the first thing I'd have to do? Subtract 8X. And then I would have to divide everybody by 12. So here's how I'm going to write this. Y equals 144 minus 8x divided by 12. Now I'm going to put that in my calculator. Y equals 144 minus 8x. Oops, I forgot the parentheses. So parentheses, 144 minus 8, there's the x button, divided by 12. And then what I want is a whole table of values. So if I go to this table set function right there, I hit second table set, and I'm going to start at 0, and I want the change in my table to go by ones. It has to be integers. And I'm going to just tell it to automatically tell me the answers, automatically tell me the answers. And then instead of looking at the graph, I'm going to look at the table. So I hit second table, and there I go. There are all my combinations. There's 1, 0, 12, 0 small, 12 large. Where's another integer combination? There's another integer combination. 3, 10. I mean, this one won't work. You can't have 9.33 vans. There's another combination. 6, 8. 9, 6. 9 small, 6 large. And then 12, 4. I mean, look at this. This is just so slick. You can come up with all the combinations. 15, 2. And probably our next one is going to be that 18, 0 that we got. So there's all the combinations of small, small, and large vans. So sorry about the funky trial and error business. I mean, you could do it, but I just feel like you have to play around. Here's a cool way to use your calculator. Get Y by itself, plug it into your calculator, set your table up. Our table wanted to start at 0. We wanted to go by ones. We wanted to do everything for us automatically. And then just look at the table and you can find all your integer combinations. The key is to really make sure you identify what's your X and what's your Y, so that when you write your answers, you know what you're getting. So these are all the small vans, these are all the large vans. You could have called the large vans X and the small vans Y. Just in the end, you'd have to know that. Okay, that's how I would do that problem. If you don't have a graphing calculator, maybe you should get one.